a wide range of possibilities for improving communication, intelligence analysis, and decision-making in military contexts.
Finally, robotics is another area where AI is playing an increasingly important role in military engineering.
The battlefield of the future is rapidly taking shape, with AI at the forefront of this transformation. The integration of AI into military operations is not just a theoretical concept, it's already happening.
In recent conflicts, we've seen AI-driven drones conducting surveillance, reconnaissance, and even targeted strikes with remarkable precision. These autonomous systems are capable of making split-second decisions often faster than a human could. AI is also playing a crucial role in cybersecurity, protecting military networks from increasingly sophisticated cyber threats. AI algorithms can detect and respond to cyber attacks in real time, ensuring that critical military infrastructure remains secure.
The implications of AI in warfare extend beyond the battlefield. AI is being used to enhance training programs, simulate complex combat scenarios, and even predict future conflicts based on data analysis.
However, as we embrace these advancements, we must also consider the ethical and legal challenges they present.
Section 4. The AI Dilemma, Navigating the Ethical Minefield. Ethical considerations in AI are, well, incredibly complex.
We have to balance innovation with responsibility, ensuring AI systems are developed and used in a way that aligns with our values and societal norms.
And it's not just about what AI can do, but also about what it should do.
The ethical implications are vast, ranging from privacy concerns to the potential for autonomous weapons.
Section 5. A world redefined AI's impact on global security. AI is transforming the landscape of global security in ways we couldn't have imagined just a few years ago.
From enhancing surveillance capabilities to automating defense systems, AI is reshaping how nations approach security.
And it's not just about the technology itself, but also about how it's integrated into existing frameworks and strategies.
AI can offer unprecedented advantages, but it also comes with significant risks.
We need to ensure that, as we adopt these technologies, we also develop robust policies to manage their impact on global stability.
It's a delicate balance, one that requires careful consideration and, frankly, international cooperation.
The future of global security will depend on how well we navigate this new AI-driven world.